Just picked up my son from school and checked the mailbox. Hello! Actually, on release day, they sent the new Twilight Eclipse. What is it? Twilight Eclipse collection. I got the one last time. I never got the first one. That was before I was getting any kind of PR from ColourPop. I've often been tempted to buy the first one, so I don't have that one yet, but I'm excited to see what's in this box. Oh my gosh. It's release day. It's available now. I'll put the link if there is one. Their packaging, always top notch. I always love the names and the themes. Y'all know I love a good theme. Let's look at it. It's gorge. Period. It's gorgeous. This does help a little bit. Make me feel better from what happened yesterday. But look at it. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my God. Is this that like highlighter thing? It's huge. It's huge. I thought it was going to be like a, you know, it feels like it fills up this container. Oh my God. That is huge. Oh my God. I saw him post this the other day. Okay, well, I can't open it. Help. Oh, there it goes. Oh my God. Don't get the glare. Oh. Whoa. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's huge. In case you didn't know. This is a Super Shock highlighter. It's got like a little necklace thing. Is that what it's supposed to be? Like, change me. Like to change her. I'm going to have to do some vampire makeup. I do miss Halloween. So, 2 little lip kits, a lip liner, and the little clicky thing. I never remember what they're called, but I love them. If you know what I'm talking about. And then, what are these? I saw them post this the other day. Newborn Army, Cullen Coven. Can I tell you one thing that I love to watch is reaction videos to people watching it for the first time, especially when you know what I'm talking about. I love watching those videos of people watching those like major scenes for the first time. Now, what is this? What in the world? Is that like a cream eyeshadow? I don't get it. I think it's a cream eyeshadow. It's beautiful. It's like a dark gray with like a little bit of a glitter that I don't know if you can even see that. Much Gel Eyeshadow. Never like a dark one like that. Oh God, look at this shade. I love it. I love it so much. That's such a good shade. It's got like a little hint of green in it, which I don't know if you can see that, but it's gorge. That's fun. Okay. Oh my gosh, what are we going to do with it? And then the last thing, is this the like cream to powder or powder to cream? Oh my God. I love it when they do something different. Just to mix it up. Newborn powder to cream lipstick. I'm putting it on right now. Oh, am I supposed to shake it or anything? Just apply directly to lips. That's the instruction. Okay. Well, it looks like a dark color. Oh. It's very like creamy. Oh God, my lips are chapped. You can see that immediately. Well, I love the color. Okay. It's interesting. I wonder if this can be like a little bit of like a blurring lip. I'm definitely going to have to play with this. Ooh, isn't that pretty? It's such a interesting concept and just different. Transforming powder to cream lipstick that delivers full coverage, blurred matte color. What did I say about the blur in one swipe? I said that. See? I knew it kind of felt like that. It's so cute. Such a cute little guy. Gosh, I want to look at these lip kits real quick and see what the colors are. So this one looks more like a pinky. What does it say? Oh, yeah. Rosalie and Emmett Cullen. Kind of a pinky nude color. When am I going to have one that's like purple? I want to like a purple one. ColourPop. Just saying. Give me a purple. Is that color, so darker. I probably could have used this lip liner with this. More kind of a reddish shade. So anywhoosies, what are you guys going to get? Are you a fan of the show? Which product grabbed your attention the most? This is the third installment Twilight Saga collection. The stakes are higher. So clever. Thank you, ColourPop. Love you. I'm so excited to try it all. Thank y'all for watching. My name's Amber Wood, almost 50 makeup mom. Okay, bye.